Section 3132, Example 5. A computer randomly selects a university student's name from the university database to award a $100 gift certificate for the bookstore. The odds against the selected student being male are 57 to 43. Since this is the odds against something happening, we have our unfavorable to our favorable. This tells us that the favorable outcome is a male, so the 43 is male, which means that 57 is the number of females. Determine the probability that the randomly selected student will be a male. So we're looking for the probability of being a male. Probability is favorable over the total. Our favorable outcomes is 43. And to find our total outcomes are the favorable plus the unfavorable. 43 plus 57. There are 100 in total. So 43 out of 100. Probability of being a male is 43 out of 100.